Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for Beginners, Conjugation, Lesson 6. French usage of the present tense. Utilisation française du présent de l'indicatif. The French present tense, also known as the présent de l'indicatif, is fairly similar to the English simple present, but there are some key differences. Number 1, present tense is used in French to express current actions or state of being, action en cours ou état d'existence. Examples: je travaille, I'm working. Il est en retard, he is late. Present tense in French can also be used to express habitual actions or state of being, action habituelle ou état d'existence. Examples: oui, je travaille le dimanche. Yes, I do work on Sundays. Il est toujours en retard. He is always late. You can also use present tense in French to express actions which are about to occur. Actions qui sont sur le point de se produire. Examples: je travaille demain. I'm working tomorrow. Il arrive sur le champ. He is coming right away. We can also use present tense in French to express absolute or general truths. Vérité absolue ou générale. Examples: le soleil se lève à l'est. The sun rises in the east. L'eau est essentielle à la vie. Water is essential to life. Fifth one, we can also use present tense to express conditions in likely situations, if clauses. Conditions dans des situations probables, si clauses. Examples: si tu veux, tu peux dîner avec moi. If you want, you can have dinner with me. Je vais le renvoyer s'il est en retard demain. I'm going to fire him if he is late tomorrow. So, as a summary, French present tense can be used to express current actions or state of being, habitual actions or state of being, actions which are about to occur, absolute or general truths, conditions in likely situations, if clauses. So this is it for the today's class. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci, au revoir.